Hey guys, so this client has really long, natural, beautiful hair, and she said that she wanted a U-shaped haircut, which can also be a round haircut, round layers. I don't want to get into that. I know there's a million different names for things, but she basically wants to keep her length, but put a bunch of bouncy layers in it. So I'm just taking a little bit off of her length right now. As I get to the sides, I'm going to start where the back connects to the side. I'm going to start going up on an angle. So this is going to create that U shape. Just little by little and section by section, I'm taking that tip off by slightly angling my hand. I did the same on the right side, and then I'm going to take this small square on the top of her head, and this is going to be my guide for all of the layers. So I initially took a little bit off, realized I needed to take off some more. This is nice because it shows you exactly where the shortest layer is going to lay. So then we'll start taking vertical sections, going around the entire head, almost in a pinwheel. The bottom will drop off, and then I'm going to take off that couple of inches that connects to that top guide that I made. So same thing, I'm just going to make my way around, making sure that you comb the sections completely through and take off that couple inch jump that there is. And this is the final result.